Welcome to Inoven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making crispy and delicious atta aloo ball samosa, crunchy outside with a spicy mashed potato filling inside. These bite-sized snacks are perfect for tea time, lunch boxes or party platters. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon kalonji, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Kalonji gives a unique bakery-style aroma to snacks. Now add 1/3 cup water gradually and make a smooth dough. Rub a little oil over the dough and keep aside to rest. Now prepare the stuffing. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 1 crushed green chilli and 2 cloves garlic. Crushed spices create strong flavor and texture. Now add half teaspoon crushed cumin, half teaspoon crushed coriander seeds. Saute for a few seconds until aromatic. Add 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Season with half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon salt. Add 2 tablespoon boiled green peas and mix well. Potato snacks are popular comfort food in many countries. Mash everything nicely. Add fresh coriander leaves and keep aside to cool. Now take small portion of dough. Place the potato stuffing inside and cover well to form ball shapes. Make sure the stuffing cools before shaping. Seal the dough properly to avoid opening while frying. Heat oil and fry in medium heated oil until beautifully golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for crispy texture. Potatoes provides energy and fullness. Green peas add nutrition and texture. Homemade snacks are fresher and more hygienic. Fresh herbs and spices naturally enhance flavor. Ball-shaped samosas are fun and easy to serve. Your crispy homemade atta aloo ball samosa is ready. Serve hot with tea or sauce and enjoy. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Inoven Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade recipes.